Okay, so now you guys are going to go ahead and you're going to learn how to do, to solve by using the inverse by using, a 3 by 3. And you're going to be doing this on your calculator. So the 2 by 2 must be done by hand using the determinant and that. But the 3 by 3 is going to be done on your calculator. So go ahead, write these steps down. We're going to go ahead and get into putting the pieces in because there are a couple bits to it. So the first step is if you hit second and then x to the negative 1, that takes you to matrix. If you move over to edit, hit enter on A, you're going to type in your x, y, and z variables on matrix A. Once you do that, you're going to hit second mode, and that's going to quit it. You're going to go ahead and hit second x to the negative 1. And under that, you're going to go ahead and hit move over to edit and then enter on B. Now, just a reminder, you've got your x, whatever, plus y, plus z, down by 3s. And that equals your answers. I'll just call that B1, and then you get whatever, B2 and B3. That's what you're entering in, because remember, this is the A, this is the B, and then X is your answer for your solutions. That's what you're finding. So, and so when you go in and you enter B, you have to hit second mode, quit. Then you're going to go to second, X to the negative 1, move over to the A, x to the negative 1 times, hit second again, which takes you to matrix. That's what the whole point is. X to the negative 1, B, enter. Once you hit enter, it's going to go ahead and give you your inverse. When inputting your variables in, just to make sure that you label as, a 3 by 3 and a 3 by 1 when you go ahead and put in A and B. So A, when you go and hit enter, you'll type in the XYZ variables, but at the top, that's where you'll put 3 by 3. And then when you go to B, you'll do a 3 by 1, because that's all we're doing it with. So we're not doing it with 2 by 2s.